Hello, our dear friends, our dear pupils. Welcome to our tutorial videos. As you can see there is a question on factorizing completely. Okay, so how do I factorize this expression completely? So what you have to do is very simple and very straightforward. So just follow me and you will learn. Okay, so factorize completely, and they want us to factorize 5x squared. So you are first of all going to write 5x squared minus 5, and we have to factorize this. So factorizing simply means you find a number or a value or an expression that can be divided on both terms. What I mean by both terms, it can be divided in 5x squared and also in 5, or a number or an expression which is common. So when I look at this, 5 is obviously common, meaning it can be divided on both numbers or in both numbers. So 5 is common. I am going to open up the brackets and I'll simply divide. Okay, so 5 into 5, x squared. I will just remain with the x squared because this 5 and this 5, they cancel one another or divide one another. 5 into 5, I will have 1 and then I will close. Okay, now when I have a situation like this, it means I'm still factorizing. I'm not done because this expression in the brackets can still be factorized. How and why? Because these two terms, x squared and 1, are perfect squares, meaning they have square roots, numbers with square roots. Now, how do I factorize this? And again, besides these numbers having being perfect squares, the sign here is minus. So I can factorize this by using what we call the difference of two squares. The word difference from minus, two squares, meaning these are square numbers, meaning they have got square roots. So if I have something like a squared minus b squared, these are square numbers and they are being subtracted. So this is difference of two squares. I can factorize this by saying a plus b and a minus b. So this can be factorized like this, implying that I have to factorize this using this same principle here. So I'll say 5x squared minus 1 squared, because the square root of 1 is 1. That's why I have expressed 1 using its square root. And then I'm going to apply this same principle here. But before I do that, I have to make sure that since this is just a number, it will be outside compound brackets. So I'll say x plus 1 and x minus 1, and then I will close and close using a compound bracket. Once I do this, it means I have factorized completely. This is now factorized completely by first factoring out 5 and then recognizing that what I have in the brackets here is a difference of 2 square, and then I have to factorize it like that. Thank you very much for watching. Watch as many videos as you can and you will learn and become an expert at mathematics. Thank you very much and stay blessed.